The best soil for growing vegetables is loamy soil, which is a balanced combination of sand, silt, and clay particles, along with organic matter. Here's why loamy soil is ideal for vegetable gardening. 1. Good drainage. Loamy soil has excellent drainage properties, allowing excess water to drain away quickly while retaining sufficient moisture for plant growth. This prevents waterlogging, which can lead to root rot and other problems in vegetables. 2. Moisture retention. Despite its good drainage, loamy soil also retains moisture well, ensuring that vegetables have access to water during dry periods. This helps maintain consistent soil moisture levels, which are essential for healthy plant growth. 3. Nutrient-rich. Loamy soil is naturally rich in nutrients, providing essential minerals and organic matter that support vigorous vegetative growth and abundant fruit production in vegetables. It reduces the need for synthetic fertilizers and promotes overall soil fertility. 4. Easy to work with. Loamy soil has a crumbly texture that is easy to till, cultivate, and work with, making it ideal for planting, transplanting, and managing vegetable crops. It allows roots to penetrate the soil easily and facilitates good aeration. 5. pH balance. Loamy soil tends to have a neutral pH, which is optimal for most vegetable crops. It provides a suitable environment for nutrient uptake and minimizes the risk of nutrient deficiencies or toxicities that can occur in soils with extreme pH levels. 6. Versatility. Loamy soil is versatile and suitable for a wide range of vegetable crops, including leafy greens, root vegetables, fruiting vegetables, and legumes. It accommodates different plant root structures and growth habits, allowing for diverse planting arrangements. 7. Soil structure. The balanced combination of sand, silt, and clay particles in loamy soil creates a favorable soil structure with good aggregation and pore spaces. This promotes root development, nutrient uptake, and microbial activity in the soil, supporting healthy plant growth. While loamy soil is considered the best soil for growing vegetables, it's essential to amend and improve soil quality as needed by incorporating organic matter, such as compost or aged manure, and adjusting pH levels based on the specific requirements of the vegetable crops you intend to grow.